Tom Joyner fundraiser axe, 3.5 pound Craftsman on a white oak handle, custom made by Tom Joyner, handcrafted. Yeah, 3.5 pound Craftsman. Let's try it in some Granfer. Oh, goes right through. Woo! Feels really good. Really good in the hand. Let's see if it'll pick up a piece of wood. Yep. And you don't have to hit it real super hard to get it to pick it up. Right? Split it. Split it. Let's almost split that one. Let me grab a bigger piece. Let's try a bigger piece. Huh? That's pretty sweet, Tom. This axe feels really, really nice. Doesn't stick real bad. Super nice. Look at that, Tom. Nice. Boy, that is nice, Tom. Wow. That thing splits like crazy. Boy, that's nice. Takes quick work of a piece of Granfer, that's for sure. Wow. All the information for this is on my website. If you go to my About section and follow the instructions, you can get in on possibly being the owner of this beautiful, beautiful axe by Tom Joyner. Tom does amazing work. Tom is a huge support for our community and a huge, giant supporter, and has done so much for this channel. I can't even explain it. Handles like this don't come along every day, you know. Axes like this and craftsmanship like this, it's just unbelievable. What a beautiful piece of craftsmanship, of art. I look at it kind of as art because every handle is different. Beautiful palm swells, great design, great haft. It's just unreal. Anyway, go to the website and check it out. See if you might be interested in an axe like this. In this axe right here. To be exact, I guess. Tom builds a dandy axe. Thank you so much, Tom. I truly appreciate it. And if you're new here, the fundraiser is to raise money for Taza Palooza which is a get-together we have in my hometown. I started it last year. Had a blast last year at Taza Palooza, the first Taza Palooza, and we're going to have a ton of fun this year as well. But this just helps us get things together like food and fuel and oil for folks to run, so they don't have to pack gas all the way across the country or whatever. They'll have mixed gas here and bar oil, food, canopies, to help people out, to possibly help someone maybe make it out here, and all the things that it takes to get a get together. For my brother's help with his tractor, getting the logs down to the grounds of Taza Palooza. Those are just some of the things that these fundraisers of these axes help. They help these axes, these fundraisers help Taza Palooza happen. To put it plain and simple, that's it. It helps Taza Palooza happen. Okay? It's no Taza Palooza is no highfalutin whatever. It's not that. It's a get together where people can talk about anything they want to, or they can just come here and sit around a fire and hang out and visit with people that they may have met or may not have met yet in person, but have met on YouTube or social media somewhere along the lines. People can put faces to names. That's what Taza Palooza is about. It's about having fun and enjoying. It's not a big competition. It's none of that. Mine's better than yours. It's not that. It's none of that. We saw none of that last year, and I hope that we never do. To be totally honest with you, the competition of everything, it's just not there. Okay? So go check out some of the older videos if you haven't seen any of the older videos of Taza Palooza from last year. If you're interested in it, if you're interested in checking it out, coming out, or just want to see what it's all about. This year's going to be a blast. This is the spot where I'm hoping we're going to be able to be and do our day of cutting. Anyway, Tom, this axe is awesome. Look at that. That's 3.5 pounds. That's 3.5 pounds. Let's look at it. 3.5 pound. Craftsman. Got a nice pole on it. Tom's got a nice shine on it. 3.5 pound. What a beautiful axe. And as you can see, I'm not swinging for the fences with this. You just read the wood, right? Must be a knot there somewhere. Let's try. Let's try the flick with it. I'll get another piece of wood. Flick's nice. Let's go over here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yep. Looks like a champ. Flick, flick, flick. Flick, but it's split, see? See that? Yep. What a beautiful axe, Tom. Wow. It's a dandy. Sticks. Picks. Splits. Right? Huh? Picks it up. And splits it. Boy, it's got great action again, Tom. Just the curve in it. Something about it. I don't know, Tom, you got it figured out, buddy. For the way the head goes on and all that kind of stuff, you got all that figured out. To get that whip action, the Adirondack is the whippiest. The whip in the Adirondack is unbelievable. But this is similar to that. Let's split one more big one, huh? Stay. Good axe. See? Didn't take long to train it either. Stayed right there, huh? Comes out nice. That one's got some knots in it, boys and girls. Yep, head over to the website. Thanks for all the support, everybody. Nice piece of gramper. Boy, what a beautiful axe, Tom. Another home run, buddy. Another home run. Awesome. Yeah. Go check out the website. Thanks, everybody. Love y'all. Take care and be safe. TazMan is rolling. Stay tuned. Beautiful.